Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the current American financial situation, which resembles a roller coaster designed by a committee of caffeinated ferrets and sleep-deprived hedgehogs. We'll be dissecting these mixed economic signals, from potential recession indicators to surprisingly chipper real GDP growth numbers. So, buckle up, buttercups, as we navigate the thrilling, terrifying, and occasionally hilarious world of American finance. Let's start by untangling this economic knot. Inflation is hopping all over the place, making it harder to afford pretty much everything. The housing market seems to defy gravity, and the bond market is sending mixed signals. Amidst this chaos, real GDP growth is surprisingly decent. The data is all over the place, leaving experts scratching their heads. It's a wild, wacky, and slightly terrifying time to be alive, folks. Now let's talk about Macy's, one of the most iconic department stores in America. They're not going bankrupt, but they are facing a potential buyout that could change their future. A group of investors has reportedly offered a staggering $6.6 billion to take Macy's private, hoping to turn the tide. Macy's has been struggling for years, facing stiff competition from online retailers and changing consumer habits that favor e-commerce. They've been closing stores rapidly, and a buyout might provide a temporary lifeline. But it's not a guaranteed solution. It's a classic tale of survival of the fittest in the retail world. And only time will tell if Macy's can reinvent itself and thrive once again. Speaking of Amazon, let's turn our attention to Jeff Bezos' brainchild. Amazon's recent foray into digital advertising is fascinating, giving Google and Facebook a run for their money. Their advertising business is growing rapidly, thanks to their vast consumer data. However, they've also been grappling with profitability challenges in their core e-commerce business. Building a global logistics network and offering fast shipping isn't cheap, and their massive workforce adds to the challenge. Now, for a brief interlude. Sometimes economic news is about cheese. Costco has issued a cheese recall due to plastic contamination. If you recently bought cheese at Costco, check the recall notice. Better safe than sorry, especially when it comes to unwanted plastic consumption. Compared to past food shortages, a little plastic in your cheese seems almost quaint. Let's move on to alternative investment strategies to weather the current economic storm. In these uncertain times, it's crucial to explore all available options to safeguard your financial future. Hedge funds can be a valuable tool for diversifying your portfolio and potentially earning higher returns. They offer unique strategies that are not typically available through traditional investments. They know all the shortcuts and always seem to land on their feet. Just like a skilled parkour athlete navigating a complex urban landscape, hedge fund managers use their expertise to find opportunities. However, hedge funds come with their own set of risks, and you need to do your research. It's essential to understand the strategies they employ and the potential downsides. For those willing to take on more risk, hedge funds can offer a way to potentially outperform the market. But remember, higher returns often come with higher volatility, so proceed with caution and stay informed. Private equity and debt investments are the intrepid explorers of the investment world. They venture into undervalued companies and emerging markets, offering the potential for higher returns, but with a corresponding increase in risk. Investing in private equity and debt requires not only expertise, but also access to exclusive networks and a strong stomach for illiquidity. For those willing to put in the effort and navigate the complexities, these investments can be incredibly lucrative. So there you have it, folks. A whirlwind tour of the current American financial situation and some alternative investment strategies to consider. Remember, the road less traveled can often lead to the most rewarding destinations, but it requires careful planning and a willingness to embrace uncertainty. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on the financial world and investment tips. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about the markets, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay invested in your financial future.